Hello everybody. This is my traffic light assembly and testing code. At the beginning of my code, I changed the intervals of pin 7, pin 6, and pin 5 into pin 7 red, pin 6 amber, and pin 5 green. These are according to the negative and positives that I have soldered on my strip board for the actual physical LEDs. Afterwards, you see the void setup. That is where I establish the fact that the red, amber, and green LEDs are all outputs and outputs only. Afterwards, you can see the void loop. This is where I show how long the duration of the LEDs are on for low and for high. As you can see at the beginning, it shows that the green LED starts off at low, and then the amber LED goes on to high with a delay of 1,000. That translates to 1 second. Afterwards, the amber LED goes back to low, and the red LED goes up to high. That is for 3 seconds. And after that, and finally, the red LED goes back to low, the green LED goes to high, and that is for another 3 seconds. The loop ends, and it starts over again. This is my strip board diagram. It shows that no negative is touching a negative, and no positive is touching a positive along the strips on the strip board. This ensures that there is no short circuit possible within the circuit.
Life could be a dream, life could be a dream. Shaboom. Life could be a dream. Shaboom. If I could take you up in paradise up above. Shaboom. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream. Sweetheart, hello, hello again. Shaboom, and open we'll meet again. Boom, ding dong, ding dong, a lang, a lang, a lang. Oh, 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 bip, a bip, a do, a dip. Oh, life could be a dream. If only you're my precious plant.